So thank you, all of you, for assembling and throwing insight into the issue. Now, why I want to interject here, because we have been, when I was in India, we organized 3 national workshops on blockchain technology. We have been deliberating on the topic, and a lot of thoughts came, and we decided working on that also. But unfortunately, the pace of experimenting or doing a pilot is very slow. So that is why I thought, let me make an appeal here. We have a very esteemed gathering of people who are decision makers. So my request is that let us work on coming up with some pilot, at least proof of concept. The way Alok Pandey was talking about, the kind of gaps which were noticed. Can we think of jotting down the gap, come up with a proof of concept? The way ideation were done by Vineet Mathurji, can we, start jotting down and at least start talking about doing a project? Because now it is the time to act. China has already come up with digital currency. We know the consequences of SWIFT network being blocked by USA. Since blockchain technology was not used, so Iran could not do anything to do their trading. They lost $150 during the period when USA imposed ban on them. So these centralized databases and centralized intermediaries are not helping anybody. So we have to take a clue from that we have to definitely come out of the clutches of these bigger intermediaries who are controlling trade and commerce without doing much value addition. If there is some entity which is facilitating the job of, say, capital market related things, there is no point that we allow them to hijack. If their systems are not working, the way data transaction could not take place between BSE and NSE, why the investors would suffer? Why the departments would suffer? Can we not think of some other alternative? So if we start working on it, I am not saying that this is the right time to immediately switch over to blockchain technology, but definitely this is the time to start working towards it, so that we at least come to know of the glitches and challenges which are there in adopting blockchain technology. Otherwise, it will become too late. And moreover, look at the technological interventions. Whosoever took the lead, they became the leader. All others who are small or who started late were either captured by the bigger ones, be it the case of Amazon or eBay or online marketing companies. Same is the case with internet facilitators like Gmail and Yahoo and all. They took the lead and they have conquered the market. Despite several attempts being made by others, they could not dent in the shares of these bigger companies. So similarly, unless we take the lead in blockchain technological application in the field, we may probably become only a spectator. So I'll urge once again, personally, I'm very passionate about it. I once again urge all of you to locate the problem area where blockchain can be experimented, if not used fully, so that sooner we get into a domain where blockchain can be actually utilized. Thank you.